Hi, I'm Sam Orgill and welcome to Learning Angular 7 by Packt Publishing. I have over 6 years experience in web development, and what I love about the web is that it's available to everyone everywhere through the browser. It's not limited to one platform or device. I love the creativity that you can bring to an application through HTML and CSS, and also the experience you can deliver through JavaScript and other front-end frameworks such as Angular. I began working with Angular almost immediately after it came out in 2016. And we've been using it to build highly scalable, high-performance web apps in the airline industry. So we've created huge applications for airports such as Heathrow, Johannesburg and Zurich. And I found in my experience that there isn't a comparable framework at that sort of scale. But increasingly it's becoming more and more lightweight, which means it's my go-to front-end framework for smaller applications. Even my own personal website is built with Angular. Now, I've recently left the airline industry to become a freelance web developer, and I love nothing more than evangelizing Angular to the wider development community. As well as web development, I'm also passionate about design and good UX. And if you want to know more about me or learn about how you too can become a freelance developer, head over to my website samorgill.com, where you'll find everything you need, including my social links. This course will consist of a complete overview of Angular 7. I'll take you from a day one beginner to having your first fully functioning Angular 7 application, and we'll learn all the principles of Angular along the way by doing. Angular is a powerful front-end framework that uses components to create high-performance, single-page web applications. I'm glad you're learning it. This course contains 7 sections. The first section will dive into Angular 7, we'll find out all about it, including getting your application set up. In section 2, we'll create your first component and also learn about directives and how Angular works. In section 3, you'll learn about creating your first service and how services can be used to share data across your app. In section 4, we'll learn about adding routes to your application so we can navigate more easily. In section 5, I'll provide you with a Firebase API which will allow you to make HTTP calls and learn about how we can get data, update data, delete data and post data through APIs. In section 6, we'll dive deep into Angular material and animations. And in section 7, we'll learn about all the new features of Angular and apply those to our app. There are no prerequisites for this course. It would help if you did have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But Angular is actually written in TypeScript, so if you've never done Angular before, it's likely you'll be learning this fresh anyway. So what will you get from this course? By the end of this course, you're going to have a great understanding of Angular 7. You're going to understand how components work, you're going to learn TypeScript, you're going to know how to work with APIs through Angular with HTTP, you're going to understand how to use NPM, the Node Package Manager, to install third-party packages so that you can begin building your own applications, and you're going to be able to create a gorgeous user interface using Angular material and animations. And you're also going to learn how to use Angular 7 specific features, such as mining Bitcoin or using artificial intelligence. So I'm excited, I hope you're excited, let's get started.